So this is 97.9 and it's line 22, 97.9. So this is valence, electron, bonds, lattice, Higgs formula, 5G Wow Seti. There's alien radio signal. And this is, it's about the free valence, electron, convalent bonds, NASA communication signals, Higgs boson particles with mass that expand to drive a UFO spaceship to forward with laser beam crystals, super lattice, quantum dots, water, Wiedemann-Franz law, line 22, well data. The research was done on July 21st, 2013. Today's August 17th. And it's from line 2297, Ballistic, Umklapp, scattering Phonon formula. And also from line 2297, free electron model, crystal lattice, 5G Wow Seti. So the formula is from a previous video of 97G. It's Umklapp scattering, U process or Umklapp process, transformation, reflection, translation, wave vector to another Brillouin zone, results, scattering process to an electron lattice potential, Google free electron model in another video. So this is what I did. The keyword free electron model, I googled it to see what it meant. And it says valence electrons, quote diagrams from Wiki. So it says electron from hydrogen and electron from carbon. So the red is the hydrogen one and blue is the carbon. So keyword is valence electron, quote from Wiki. A valence electron is an electron that is associated with an atom that can participate in the formation of a chemical bond. In a single convalent bond, both atoms in the bond contribute one valence electron in order to form a shared pair. The presence of valence electrons can determine the element's chemical properties and whether it may be bond with other elements. For a main group element, a valence electron can only be in the outermost electron shell. In a transition metal, a valence electron can also be in an inner shell. Formula from data. Valence electron atom participate formation, chemical bond, add ligands, single covalent bond, both atoms in bond contribute one valence electron, order form, shared pair, twin particles equals symmetry. Presence valence electrons can determine elements' chemical properties, bond with other elements, neutrinos, Higgs boson signal, create Higgs mass boson particles. Quote from Wiki. Ideas and assumptions for covalent bonds. Carbon has 4 valence electrons and here a valence of 4. Each hydrogen atom has 1 valence electron and it's univalent. As in the Drude model, valence electrons are assumed to be completely detached from their ions, forming an electron gas. As an ideal gas, electron-electron interactions are completely neglected. The electrostatic fields in metals are weak because of the screening effect. The crystal lattice is not explicitly taken into account. A quantum mechanical justification is given by Bloch's theorem. An unbound electron moves in a periodic potential as a free electron in a vacuum. Except for the electron mass m becoming the effective mass m times, which may deviate considerably from m, one can even use a negative effective mass to describe conduction by electronic holes. Effective masses can be derived from band structure computations. While the static lattice does not hinder the motion of the electrons, electrons can be scattered by impurities and by phonons. These two interactions determine electrical and thermal conductivity. Superconductivity requires a more refined theory than the free electron model. According to the Pauli exclusion principle, with each phase element, there's the symbols there, can be occupied by only 2 electrons, 1 per spin quantum number. Thus, restriction of available electron states is taken into account by Fermi-Dirac statistics. See also Fermi gas. Many predictions of the free electron model are derived from the Sommerfeld expansion of the Fermi-Dirac occupancy for energies around the Fermi level. 24th and 26th July 2013, formula from data. 4 covalent bonds, 4 monopole magnets, question mark. Carbon nanotubes in vacuum, 4 valence electrons, balance of 4, each hydrogen atom has 1 valence electron, is univalent. Google univalent in another video. Drude model, Google, I'm going to Google that. The valence electrons completely detached from ions, forming electron gas. Ideal gas, electron-electron interactions neglected. Electrostatic fields in metals weak because screening effect. Crystal lattice, quantum mechanical justification, Bloch's theorem. unbound electron moves in a periodic potential as a free electron in a vacuum. Electron mass m becoming an effective mass m deviate from m. One can even use negative effect mass to describe conduction by electron holes. Masses derived from band structure computations, static lattice, does not hinder the motion of electrons scattered, impurities, and crystals, phonons. These two interactions determine electrical thermoconductivity, superconductivity, free electron model. Pauli exclusion principle. Each phase space element symbols can be occupied only by 2 electrons, 1 per spin quantum number. Electron states plus Y, Fermi-Dirac statistics, Fermi gas free electron model. Sommerfeld expansion, Fermi-Dirac occupancy, energies around the Fermi level. Keyword for formula, Google Sommerfeld expansion. Quote from Wiki, the Sommerfeld expansion is valid for large B low temperature systems. July 26, my thoughts. B equals mass particles that expand with heat and shrink with cold. Cold plasma plus liquid argon gas plus neutrino, split fermions, leptons, particle formula mixtures found in line 22's WOW data. The keyword free electron model continues in the next video. Thank you for watching.